Hi, it's Mark Sugar at Auto Clearing right here in Saskatoon, 331 Circle Drive West, and my partner,
Jackfish Eldridge.
Hey, okay, so we broke some records here today. One of the records that we broke was I sold the oldest vehicle in all of Saskatchewan's inventory. So right now, like the year is 2018. I just sold this vehicle, 1998. So yes, 1998. It only has 154,000 kilometers. Kilometers, not miles. So check this out. And this vehicle right here, this bad boy, can fit 121 tons of pasta in it, okay? So check that out. Also, check this out. You know what the safety features on this one? The second generation airbags in this one, and what that's gonna do for you is that gonna keep you and your loved ones safe on the road, okay? The latest in 1998 safety and technology. It's got premium. The tires, they're not brand new. They're already worn in for that
Fuel economy.
Fuel economy. What else would you call that? And no sunroof on this one, so you don't have that hot sun blazing in. Get those sunburns.
No
on
leaks.
Your head. No leaks. Like I don't know. This vehicle, 154,000 kilometers. It has AM radio. I think it even has FM radio. FM radio. Okay. So it also has a premium cassette deck. So you know when you're buying all these new vehicles and they have so much options, you know, anything could go wrong. But this cassette is tried, tested, and proven.
Spare speakers.
Optional speakers. Sometimes if you need to, you need a wrench, you know, you can find things in these old vehicles. But realistically, if this isn't the one for you, we have brand new trucks. We have muscle cars. We have new vehicles. We have used vehicles. Auto Clearing, Saskatoon. And you know what we're going to be doing? A lot of times we'll take in any trade. 1998, it doesn't matter. We're going to sell them wholesale price to the public, to you. So don't be scared to come into the dealership and get the best deal. We have eco diesel trucks right here. Like, it doesn't really matter what you're looking for. We're going to have something for you. Jackfish Eldridge. Or you can even ask for Max. She sits right by me. Anybody, you can ask for Allison, sits beside me. You can ask for, you know, anybody on our team is excellent and awesome. Come down, Auto Clearing. We're gonna treat you the best, sweetest deals on wheels. And some of them have remote starts. 1998, or I'm not even sure what this button does.
Keyless entry.
I don't think it's keyless entry.
Yes, it is. I've tried it out.
It is? Okay,
yes,
there
it
you go.
is.
1998, tried, tested, proven, okay? We'd love to help you out. We'll see you next time. Cheers.